Do you, Secretary Carter, believe that Iran will change its behavior as a result if this agreement is finalized? And have you seen any indication of that?
I've not, Mr. Chairman, and speaking just for my own judgment, I don't foresee that or have any reason to foresee that. That is why it's important that the be verifiable. That's why it's important that Iran not have a nuclear weapon, and that's also why it's important that we keep doing everything that we need to do. Defend our friends and allies, remain strong in the Gulf, freedom of navigation, ballistic missile defense, all the things we're doing. We need to keep doing those things, and the agreement doesn't limit us in any way. Obviously, if Iran changes its behavior, that would be a welcome thing, but I see no reason to foresee that, Chairman, personally.
I see no reason to foresee it, and I see them now with about $50 or $60 billion with which to pursue those malign activities. And I've seen Secretary Liu's testimony and others that don't worry, they'll be using it for domestic purposes. They're doing it now with the assets that they have. One can only imagine what they might be doing with 50 or 60 billion additional dollars. Look, I just would like to say again, I